I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody.
You're watching KaaylaDee, Caribbean Queen. KaaylaDee, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching KaaylaDee, Caribbean Queen. KaaylaDee, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So I'm here today to give you guys my take on the new renamed bronze makeup, which we now call Latte makeup. I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to put out a new makeup tutorial since you guys are always asking for makeup looks. First I'm going to go in and moisturize my face. This is the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. I'm just going to apply a tad bit of this because I did hydrate my face earlier when I woke up this morning and washed my face. So I don't need too much. Moving on to primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And this one I mainly apply in the areas where I do tend to get oily the fastest. And then for foundation, I'm using the Born This Way foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. This I like to apply directly onto my brush before applying it to my face. And we're just gonna start blending this out. You guys, look how flawless this foundation is looking. My skin looks like butter right now. Also, do not want to forget the neck. Now to contour my face, I am going to be using the Tread Cosmetics Complexion Stick. And this one is in the shade Rich Brown. And I'm applying this from my hairline all the way out to the outer parts of my face and also on the highest points of my cheekbones. And applying it this way, it kind of like gives your face that nice facelift. Then I'm applying this around my forehead. I'm also bringing this under my jawline. Then I'm taking my Fenty blush in the shade Daiquiri Dip, and I'm going to apply this directly on top of this contouring shade. Now I'm going to go with my Dewy Mist by Brushworks, and I'm just going to give my face one spray. Okay, that was a little bit more than one spray. Now I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques Expert Edge Foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend this out together. Again, you want to just go in like patted motion, so I'm just kind of like dabbing it together. Alright you guys, now for concealer, I'm also using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand and Natural Beige. I'm going to go in with Warm Sand first. This one is closer to my skin tone, and then I'm going to go over it with Natural Beige just to give me like that highlighted look. And now to highlight my face, I'm just going to go in with Natural Beige and apply this right here. While I let that sit, I'm going to go in and contour my nose. I'm using that same contouring stick. So I like to start from the tip of my eyebrows while working my way down to the edge. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. You won't break my
Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.
Now before applying any sort of setting powder, I'm going to set my under eyes with my Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation powder. This one is in the shade 220, and I normally use a lighter shade, something closer to like my setting powder shade. And this is just going to set my under eye to prevent any creases and also give me like that really soft, flawless under eye. I'm just going to apply this wherever I applied that concealer. Whenever I apply this before my setting powder, I do not crease up under my eyes at all. This is like a holy grail to my makeup routine. Ever since I've been put onto this, you guys, I've been obsessed. So I'm going to go in my powder foundation. I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45.
They say time here. This boy Anthony right here, and he said, listen, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that you been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just slow.
Now to add some more warmth back into my face, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiant True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here in the center.
Put it on me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Say that she been noticing he ain't me.
Then I'm gonna go in with my Maven Beauty Blush. This one is in the shade Sass.
She got my heartbeat racing. Let's say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost this.
Right now I'm going to go back in and set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty setting powder. This one is in the shade Banana Bread.
Pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it.
Alright, while I let that sit, I'm just going to go in and shape my brows.
Tell my friends how much I do for you. Cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is.
Alright y'all, now I'm going to go in and dust all of this powder away. Now I'm going to go back in with my dewy spray. See how good and flawless this is looking? Before it's like fully dry, I'm gonna go in and highlight the bridge of my nose. Oh, sorry, I'm using this highlighter by Ruby Kiss. Gorgeous. Do one more spray. I'm using the ColourPop Bare Necessity palette, and I'm going to go in with this rich brown shade right here. And this I'm going to apply all over my lid. I'm using these brushes that I got from Amazon. I will have everything linked down below in my Amazon store. And I'm also gonna bring it out into my nose contour.
You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me you knew me, don't make you miss a damn shame. You come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time?
I'm gonna go with this shade right here. It's like a soft beige shade, and I'm just gonna apply this like above here. Now I'm gonna go in with this gold shimmery shadow called Genie. This I'm gonna apply directly in the inner corners of my eyelids and just bring it out. And then I'm just gonna go with a darker brown shade. I'm gonna be using the shade called Crack On. This I'm gonna apply directly into my crease. Now I'm gonna go with a brown liner and I'm just gonna make a wing. I don't have a liquid liner, so I'm using a pencil liner.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Now I'm going in with a black shadow and I'm just gonna darken this wing.
Baby, so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie. I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. There's nothing offered to me. If you're mine, baby. When you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Then I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Super Ink Vinyl Stay Lipstick. This one is in the shade Captivated. Then I'm gonna go with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy Heat. And you guys, that is pretty much my take on the whole latte makeup. It's very subtle, very bronzy, and I feel like this look just came together so beautiful. I'm definitely loving this. This definitely reminds me of how I used to do my makeup before, because nowadays I have been like stuck on the whole matte makeup. So I haven't been wearing highlighters for a while now, but I feel like this is definitely gonna get me back to start wearing more highlighters, giving myself like that nice glow. I miss this. I actually miss this, so I'm happy that they brought it back but just renamed it. This look right here, you guys, turned out so beautiful. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the overall look. How are we feeling this? And could you guys imagine, there's no filter on my camera and my base is just like everything right now. This is what the makeup is giving. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. I'll have all the products linked down below for you guys in the description box. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Let's connect in my comment section or on Instagram. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
I'm building my own